I am G and this is GL Art. Nice to see you all. Now, with the extension that's being done at our property starting to gather momentum, we're having to clear rooms and stuff, so I'm struggling a bit to find the time to do content. But the other night I was drawing a little picture of a church. It was basically an exercise in perspective, which I am, in all honesty, a bit crap at. Okay, so I decided to sit down and doodle. Now, I just figured I haven't done anything with my Promarkers for some time, so I would take this sketch and then I'd colour it, and I'd use my Promarkers just to give it some life and make it jump off the page a little bit. So that's what this video is. It's very quick. I hope you like it, but I will see you guys just after. Okay, so the colours that I will be using in this particular video are as follows. I will be using emerald, grass, bright green, lime green, pear green and moss. I'll be using spice, bright orange, cinnamon, cool aqua, warm grey 5 and warm grey 1, but I will list all of the codes and the colours for Promarkers in the description. And there's the little church, all finished, nice and bright and colourful. I like it. It was just a little exercise just to get some use out of my Promarkers. As I say, nothing particularly educational, just a bit of fun this time round. So I hope you liked it. If you did, then please subscribe if you like this kind of content. I just try anything art-wise. So yeah, subscribe if you enjoy all that kind of thing. Smash the like button and tell people you know about my channel as well, just to help it grow. But for the meantime, I'll leave it there and I will see you guys very, very soon. Take care.